Hey there everybody, Jay Watala with WB Tool News, and today we've got a great video for you. We got our hands on the Voyager LED work light from Powersmith. In this video, we're going to go over a couple of key features, some of our thoughts, and along with that, we're going to show you how we powered this light using the battery from this Bosch impact driver. And with that, let's get into it. The Voyager is an 8,000 lumen LED rechargeable tripod work light. It can be powered in 3 different ways: with its 110 volt power cord, with the included Powersmith battery, or your existing power tool battery with the accompanying adapter. Along with a variety of ways of charging it, the compact design makes it ideal for mobile use. Weighing under 10 pounds, this thing easily packs into its carrying case, making it perfect for transportation. Another awesome feature for this work light is this handy little remote, making it really easy to operate this work light from a variety of distances. This LED work light is great for a variety of applications. For use on a job site, for those DIY projects, for those outdoor events, and it can even be utilized during power outages, with it being weatherproof and the battery lasting up to 6 hours. The Voyager is a user-friendly work light with key features rarely seen elsewhere. First up, this LED work light can be powered using common power tool batteries with the accompanying adapter. That means you can power this up using your Bosch, Makita, DeWalt, or Milwaukee batteries. We grabbed our Bosch battery from the impactor, mounted it to the accompanying adapter, and this light powered on with no issue. The Voyager is ready to roll inside or outside. It's weatherproof and even comes with stakes if you need to secure it to the ground. An added benefit of LED is it's far more durable than those older halogen lights. I wanted to take a step back and give you a quick tip on battery life. Battery capacity is measured in amp hours, and as the name suggests, this is how many amps the battery can deliver in 1 hour. For example, a 12 volt lithium ion battery with a capacity of 100 amp hours can deliver 100 amps to a 12 volt device for 1 hour. Go ahead and use this math to find out how long your battery can power the Voyager. The Voyager provides plenty of light with up to 8,000 lumens and lets you control how that light's distributed. This LED work light can project light 360 degrees using its 2 articulating heads. This gives you the option to effortlessly aim your light in areas of need. There are 3 brightness settings, all of which can be cycled through using the remote. Easily switch between 2,000, 4,000, and 8,000 lumens. This thing is bright. For all 3 settings, this casts a bright white beam. If you're familiar with color temperature, it puts out light at 5,000 Kelvin. You can also activate the night light mode, for those of us who are still a little afraid of the dark. So after some time using the Voyager, I gotta say I am loving this thing. From its compact design, functional versatility, and overall look and feel, this thing is great. The Voyager is a powerful lighting solution that is perfect for a variety of applications. Whether you're a pro out on the job site, a serious DIYer, or you just wanna light up that skate park to land that final trick after the sun's gone down. Well, that's a wrap on the Voyager. If you've used one of these, we'd love to hear about it. Let us know in the comment section below. Remember, only you can help us grow. So if you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button. If you want to see another review, take a look over here. And as always, thanks for listening, and we'll catch you on the next one.